This is the Ather 450X, the latest e-scooter from the Indian startup that managed to get rave reviews from their previous scooters, and we too love the Ather 450 that we tried last. What would strike you first is probably the new colorway. The space grey with the matte finish and yellow accents looks really dope and looks like it can go faster than before, and it indeed can. It's also available in a mint green and orange accents, which isn't really my cup of tea, as well as a classic white with green accents. I suspect most would go for the space grey or would have already gone for the limited edition Series 1 with the translucent body panels. After all, this is the easiest way to differentiate yourself from the regular 450 owners. There's a lot that has changed and a lot that remains similar. This still is an electric scooter that's comfortable to ride for both the rider and the passenger, has a lot of space under the seat as well as has smart features and 4G connectivity. What has improved is the nippiness. The bike is lighter and they have fitted a more powerful motor and is faster than before with a 0 to 40 acceleration time of 3.3 seconds compared to 3.9 seconds before. The range in between modes has gone up by 5 to 10 kilometers, and you can also use the new warp mode, which is really brisk and gets you to a top speed of 80 km per hour faster than before, especially thanks to a new 6 kilowatt motor. The screen is now a larger 7-inch and you can use it to accept and reject calls as well as control music over Bluetooth, which is a new feature on the 450X. We did lose around a kilometer of charge overnight, and you can monitor the charge remotely using the Ather app as well. The scooter also shows predictions of how far you will be able to travel dynamically depending on the mode that you're in. At the end of the day, this is probably the most fun that I've had riding a scooter. This is easy to use, futuristic, safe, cost effective, and most importantly better for the environment. But here is something that you should keep in mind. While you can charge at any socket using the portable charger, Ather does give the Ather Dot a wall charger that can top up your charge from 0 to 80% in just over 3.5 hours, and you can even get 15 km worth of charge in 10 minutes. Now, while the charger will definitely work with any 5A socket, it takes too long to charge that way, and the challenge is finding sockets where you want to go. While network is ever widening and the scooter allows you to find it easily using maps, your commute will likely be restricted to daily routines as the 85 km range. While the network is ever widening and the scooter allows you to find it easily using maps, your commute will likely be restricted to daily routines as the 85 km range only allows you to go that far. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is not an issue with Ather in particular, but more or less about electric vehicles in general, and that's precisely the reason I'm mentioning this. Anyone who's considering an Ather 450X would probably be also looking at internal combustion alternatives, and that's where you should understand the difference between an electric engine and an internal combustion engine. If your use case is going to the office and back, visiting friends, going to get groceries, or dining out, this works great, and the low maintenance cost and running costs are also incentives to consider. But if you're planning on doing long distance road trips, then India doesn't currently have the infrastructure for it, and you're better off with a petrol powered scooter or bike. But if going electric and going green is your way forward, then there's no other scooter I would rather suggest than the Ather 450X currently on the market. The ex-showroom price in Bangalore is Rs 1,59,000 for the 450X. If you have any questions, please do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you again in the next one.